Next presentation is online, is by Cosmin PânTROIU from Romania, from the firm he's CAO, Chief Executive in TeraSteel. TeraSteel is one of the most important manufacturers of thermal insulation panel and zinc-coated structures in Central and Eastern Europe, with production units in Romania and Serbia. Cosmin, please.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, I'm happy to be back in this forum. So I will say hello to Florin, to Mr. Țigănaș, and to all your guests and participants today. So let's get straight to the point. I would like to tell you a few words about our company. So a few words about our company. As our moderator introduced us, we are a sandwich panel producer with 3 factories, 2 in Romania and 1 in Serbia. We are producing the whole range of sandwich panel from poor sandwich panel, PAR sandwich panel, and mineral wool sandwich panel. Besides this, we have a factory with galvanized purling. So this substructural and substructural material that we can build halls. And another product that we develop in Serbia, it's self-supporting sheets for big logistics center and shopping malls for the roof. Having all these products in our portfolio, we decided to make turnkey halls using all our products, and of course our other products from our group of companies in Romania. Just to tell you some figures, last year both TeraSteel factories sold in Central Eastern Europe more than 3.8 million square meter, and according to our estimations for this year, we will go to more than 4.4 million square meters. So this is positioning us as one of the main players in Central Eastern Europe in terms of industrial buildings. But here it's a short movie. Actually, during all the presentation, this movie is giving me a lot of confidence, because here you'll be able to make an idea of our company. So, starting from a small company 15 years ago in Romania, we managed to become one of the market leader in our domain, and this year we'll reach a turnover of more than 72 million euro with a plant abroad of Romania. But what brings us to come here in a highly competitive market? And I will tell you now on short our 4D concept and how we manage. First of all, in determination part are the people. All the time our shareholders were telling me, Cosmin, look, you have a lot of capacities. But if we don't teach our people, if we don't invest in development of our people, we will not have capabilities to reach the capacities. Now I can say that we are a young team with an average of 40, 41 years in all the TeraSteel group, and we are investing continuously in development of our people. How can we work in so many countries, like 25 countries nowadays, without having informatic system? Everything going from SAP, we have automatic programming of our production and very strong warehouse management that ensure us traceability in order to give warranties to our clients. So just to give you a small example, from the steel coil that we bring in the company, we will know also after 7, 8, 10 years or maybe more, what was the producer of the steel that we put in a certain sandwich panel. The localization, as you can see, we had 3 years ago the first step in our strategy to go to Serbia. And from our point of view, it was a very successful decision because at that point in TeraSteel, Romania, we are planning to have maybe the second line in the same place with the line in Bistrița, in the headquarters. But we decided that if we go at more than 800 kilometers, we'll cover the market very well, and we can be much more closer to our clients in south of Europe. Development. This is the fourth D, and this is the most interesting one. We cannot, in a market that is moving very fast, we have to innovate and we have to develop. I told you in the beginning about the turnkey projects that we are doing with all our manufactured product, and here we innovate together with our project teams and together with you, the architects. And besides this, we created new material with our partners, and I'm talking here mainly about Dow Chemicals. And here we made a new concept of a turnkey, which is called Lead by TeraSteel. This is done with V+ Perform, and the logo for this new product, it's Lead into the world to come. I have another movie for this, just to make you an idea, and then we'll go a little bit to details. So I hope you make the rough idea about lead. Here we have an image. If you want to make a picture, you'll get much more details on our webpage, dedicated webpage for the lead solution. It will bring you directly there. I'll just leave it for a couple of seconds more to have time to make the picture. Okay. Anyway, you can find us also on the internet for TeraSteel, Raw, Serbia, and UK. Also, we have a virtual stand for this conference, and there you will see the buildings that we are doing with our normal products and with lead products. And nevertheless, at 3:30, we have a workshop, a case study with our technical team that will show you the way how we are doing the turnkey project. So let's move on to the lead by TeraSteel. So it's an innovative solution for metal building. It's let's say sustainable building with more thermal efficient performance. And what is more important from my point of view, it's reusable building. Using this kind of material that we are doing with whom they are doing the turnkey projects, you'll be able to get the BREEAM or LEED for certifications. Let's go a little bit through the main 6 characteristics of this product. You can see them here: reducing the carbon footprint, improved energy efficiency, increased resistance to the external factors, cost efficiency, because we have to discuss all the time about costs, reuse of material, and of course, the fire safety of our buildings. So the steel structure that we are using, it's a new concept also from the producer of steel materials, and we are using magnesium, aluminum, zinc. Here we are protecting much better the soil, and because the magnesium is sticking the zinc on the steel. These materials can be used also in on the sea side. Usually the zinc materials, they are not used, or they have the C3, C4 corrosion standard, and they are not all the time recommended to be used there. The metal that we are putting in the sandwich panel is a biotechnology made in SSAB in Sweden, one of the oldest and 100% integrated mill for PPGI. Going further, improve energy efficiency. As I told you, is our main partner in chemical components. We developed a new foam, which is 20% more efficient. To be much more shorter, instead of using a 100 millimeter panel, we can use an 80 millimeter panel to get the same K value of the sandwich panel, or we can get a 20% better K value of the sandwich panel for the building if we use the same thickness. Increase resistance to external factors. Our products, the zinc profiles and the green coat from the lead products have 40 years warranty. And this will bring me to the next point. If we, through the 20% more efficient K value of the sandwich panel, you will have less cost with the heating of the building. And we made the rough calculation, the return on investment, it's going in 7 years for a 1,500 square meters footprint building. Reuse of material, all the characteristics before have one point in reuse of material. Think that if we reuse the steel structure, we reduce the carbon footprint. We'll have better cost because we can reuse 85 of this material and it will not cost us new material. And reusing the material we can relocate the building or 80% of the materials in the building and put it 100 kilometers away, or make another building near it for the same concept. Nevertheless, the fire safety, the new sandwich panels have the class BS1D0, the reaction class BS1D0, and from my from our point of view, the fire resistance of the sandwich panel is protecting the goods in the building. But the the reaction of the sandwich panel is protecting the people in the building. So this kind of sandwich panel can be used very well for the hypermarkets, shopping malls, and production facilities. So I hope I didn't keep you very much. In the last 30 seconds, all the lead products will be in the BIM object library, and you can find here the internet address. So everything is prepared for new challenges in your area, in Slovenia area, to make nice buildings with TeraSteel. Thank you very much.